It's one of those days, dear Libra, where your greatest opportunity is in using your imagination to envision what you love and then to keep focusing on what you love. What we want to do is start planting seeds and then watering these seeds. So getting as clear as you can over the next probably week or so, but we'll start with this today, about the things that you love. And I want you to focus on some of the small things that you love, right? Not all the really big, massive things. Sometimes I feel like focusing on the big, massive things means that you'll get in your way even more, depending on how practiced you are at present moment awareness, depending on how practiced you are at feeling sensations in the inner energy field of the body, things of that nature. So if you're not practiced in all of that, then you're going to end up getting in your own way by asking questions that are not useful when it comes to the bigger vision, which is how. But how? How am I going to be able to do this and that? So let's focus on the smaller visions. Let's focus on the visions or goals that don't have a how involved. That's what you want to focus your energy and attention on, planting those seeds for yourself today.